Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, we're going to be unboxing and reviewing this mini wireless microphone kit from Comica. Now this particular kit is the WS60 Combo model. Now Comica did send this to me to review, but they aren't sponsoring this video, so I'm free to tell you what I like and I don't like about the product. So stay tuned and we'll check it out. This WS60 multifunctional smartphone kit seems very similar to other kits that I've purchased in the past, but this time around it has 2 transmitters and 1 receiver. So let's go ahead and start by unboxing it to see what we get. This WS60 kit from Comica is specifically designed for use with smartphones and is supposed to give you the ability to create better quality content as if you were using professional studio equipment. Like most Comica equipment nowadays, it comes packaged in a pretty nice handheld carrying case that's made up of a durable nylon mesh material. With the package, you get your standard instruction and quick start manual, alongside your warranty and customer service contact card. It also comes with this hefty receiver, which also serves the purpose of a smartphone holder as well. It's made up of a durable plastic material with aluminum metal knobs and clamps and has this cool carbon fiber look to it. It also comes with 2 identical transmitters which look similar to the receiver itself, both of which are almost the size of a deck of cards. The carrying case has a dual layer of foam cutouts to hold the receiver and transmitters, with the second layer of foam reserved for cables, mounts, and other accessories. The tripod handle is nice and sturdy and made completely of plastic. I also like that this kit comes with a ball mount, which feels pretty high-end and not like some of the plastic ones you get with other kits. This one is made up of pure metal. You also get a couple of lavaliers which you can connect to the transmitters themselves. And like most other products that I've reviewed, this kit again only comes with 1 USB-C to USB charging cable, which is still something that I'm bothered about, since there are 3 devices that could potentially need charging at the same time. Now, because the primary use for this kit is for smartphones, it makes sense that you get a TRS to TRRS 3.5mm audio cable to connect to your smartphone. You also get a dead cat, which you can attach to the included lavalier microphones, as well as some belt clips which should be connected to the back of the 2 transmitters. Now, as you can see from that unboxing, included with this kit is everything you'll ever need to set up your phone and even your camera for filming, streaming, or vlogging in any environment. At $239, this wireless microphone kit comes with a ton of accessories and it's packed with an array of features and different functionalities. And what's even better is currently on Amazon, you can get an additional $35 off using a coupon on the purchase page, making this an even sweeter deal. Now I love the carbon fiber look on the receiver and 2 transmitters, and everything down to the accessories themselves feels super durable. Now all of the casings are made up of a plastic, but they're pretty beefy when it comes to weight. And all of the connectors and clamps are a brushed aluminum metal material. And when I look at the product itself, construction was made with various use cases in mind, allowing this kit to be used for both mobile phone use, as well as studio and standard DSLR and camera use. I love how this receiver can be configured as a handheld selfie stick, phone mount, and tripod to fit any size smartphone. And it's also flexible enough to be a standalone unit that you can plug directly into your camera to allow for wireless audio capture. Now this receiver has an impressive digital LCD screen that clearly shows what settings you've got selected, as well as the levels of the incoming audio for both transmitters. It's got indicators that clearly show you if your transmitters are connected and broadcasting, as well as a battery level meter to let you know how much power is remaining. It's got a couple of switches to toggle between mono and stereo recording modes, as well as a switch to toggle between smartphone and camera modes to adjust for the different use cases and equipments you might be using. This receiver also has separate volume controls for each of the different transmitters, allowing you to adjust the gain for optimal audio settings. Now when it comes to this option, I wish they would also have put this feature on the transmitters themselves. It's also got a USB-C port for charging, as well as a 3.5mm audio port for connecting to your smartphone or camera. And because you can either use this with a smartphone or a camera, you should make sure that you're using the correct audio cable, which this kit also comes with. With this kit, you'll find a cable for practically everything, with the exception of a lightning port adapter cable, if you own an iPhone. It's also got a headphone jack, which will allow you to do real-time audio monitoring, which is always a good feature to have. Now when it comes to the transmitters, build quality is just as good, and both feel equally durable. Now the one thing I realized is that you won't find any microphone on either of these transmitters. In fact, these transmitters are made to clip onto your belt or place in your pocket and transmit audio signals to the receiver wirelessly. Instead, what you'll need to do is to plug a lavaliere, which comes with the kit, or a microphone into the transmitters themselves. Now the front of the transmitters also have a nice looking LCD, as well as indicators to show your connection status. There's also a toggle switch which you can use to change between A and B groupings, as well as a low cut filter switch if you decide you want to turn on a feature to remove low frequencies from an audio signal. This is a nice feature to have and something that I've never seen on a wireless microphone set before. Now on the left side of the transmitter, you've got a USB-C charging port as well as an input port where you can connect your lavaliere or your microphone. Now for the purpose of this video, I'm going to connect this wireless receiver to my camera rather than my cell phone to test the audio. But as you can see, it already looks pretty sleek as a handheld device with my cell phone connected. But what I'm really interested in is what the quality of the audio sounds like. So now with my lavaliere connected to the transmitter and the receiver connected to my camera, this is what the audio sounds like. Now until I edit this video, I won't know what the audio sounds like, so let me know what you think in the comment section below. Now this wireless kit has 12 optional channels it can switch between in order to ensure that there's no signal interruption with any other devices in the area. Signal strength with this kit works up to about 60 meters walking distance unobstructed, and up to about 30 meters if there's any kind of obstacles, which is plenty. It's got 10 levels of gain adjustment and has built-in lithium-ion batteries, which can operate up to 8 hours at full charge. This kit also comes with a nice nylon bag with stackable foam inserts made to snugly fit your devices and all of the accessories that comes with the kit. My wife actually said this looks like a makeup kit, which I also agree with. Now I definitely think this is a great kit and well worth the price with all the features and functions that you get. The build quality is great and the audio produced using the microphones is crystal clear. I do wish though that aside from just being able to mute, that I also had the ability to adjust the gain independently on each of the different transmitters themselves. It's not a deal breaker though, especially since I can still do this on the receiver, but it would just be nice to have. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. I would definitely recommend this WS60 kit from Comica, especially with the added discount on Amazon. I'll go ahead and leave a link to it in the description section below. Please also take some time to smash that like button and subscribe. I'd appreciate the support. Until next time, see ya.